Umoncho umurigirelia na gukwaniri handonse asobereta semarogoba yabono Amayia Chinsa Ikomi kene ngokwarigania semesa ya mangana maya irinyara gokumanya senchira y'obwenge gati yali togendete gokwariganiria ayitura kigo kumanya kere yaragirense yemo aselibo nyirobuna ni gobono ebintu ebinge biganete gokolekana anasemesa ya magania asemesa ya mangana maya ayo na kuroberia semarogoba yabono iritirane nkuru kwa Vincent Onyanchao. Humurai wense humuskuru Kenyatta nigo anyaraga kora bene umuyaga bukwa bekera abanyanyimbo ba Kenya Police chugutu ase county ya Nyeri uru nigo chingakiye chiatebire buna nigo ensemo yoburendi egendrete kone kingo tingiro burendi asense ya Kenya kaukwana asense meja sokora umuyaga yo nigate abuna nigense ya Kenya egendrete kweroberia na kuboria bonsi bali banyara kubekura chugutu ali tukoria lero kone kibuna nkubwatira na bale asokonyara kubakora ba Kenya na nensemo
to make Kenya a more secure and peaceful nation. So you graduates, it is against this backdrop that I feel most privileged today to receive your salute at your passing out parade, and I join your families, relatives, friends in congratulating you for this noble achievement. Let me also register my appreciation to the entire leadership of the Ministry of Interior led by your Cabinet Secretary, the leadership of the National Police Service, the college commandant, and all the trainers who have coached, mentored, and instructed these cadets. To you I say congratulations for a job indeed well done.
Na chinga kichio omonagari bwe Justin Muturi ni gobona nyarega komochia abare bali bakurigie ebirogo byoburayana asoburayi bwense ekero kirinera gukikurigie keroge kinagotea buna telibuya abare barataite ebirogo byoburayi bwense konyara kurigia abakonyi babakuru asensemo ya Central nigo Muturi atebire buna enseme yego wente koire ensemo yoburayi ekere kiria gikeri bali baganitia abakonyi babo kuru asensemo ya Central Kenya.
That you can't sit out there and come around here, say you are looking for a running mate. And even then, you are just hovering around there. You have not even consulting the local leadership or even the people here. You're just saying that you're looking for a running mate. I don't know the method you want to use. Whether you want them to do some catwalk so as to see how they do their bit. It's actually a bit of, you are looking down upon people. It is not right. That's the point I was making. That please give the people of the mountain some respect, even if you don't value them.
Na chinga kia yuagendrete abarokia kurasa University ya Kisii miyomo chobosonge county ya Kisii nigo basoira somugiro bwemere maseri tukuri abo ya gatatu kolengana na abarokia bo bakurawa na George Andima nigo bayichanire ekerokeria matemu yomo libwese mistagendrete okorwa na abarokia mbali meremo nigo bagote abuna abanta baho batari abarokia nigo bayiriri bagerio lyokonyara gokoria abana ose abarokiwa amatemu ase university yo nigo chinga kiecho bayichanire basa chiri abana bakuru ariko nyara gokorwa assessment ekero baguchokora osekero bakore chiskuru obosio bochikobekuro chibutwa igo bateru ne University ya Kisii yabere talikuru chibese zigo cyasaba orokia iriko nyara goikirana ase abana abo babere bakora ase babere bakora attachment yabo igo bateru buna buno mwako heta aborokia bumbanyarete ko wesende chinde chionse nonye yabere buna kero mwana kirago sasa university yo ngwakana siringi chiri bukomi echi attachment.
Gone ahead to sanction the start of end of semester examinations that are being manned by unauthorized persons. Unauthorized persons. The Kisii University 2018 examination policy, read together with the university statutes, clearly shows that these examinations are already invalid. Our students usually go for attachment when they are in third year. Others go for teaching practice for those who are in the School of Education. And these members are supposed to go to those schools to assess those students, to mentor them. We were surprised last year that people had to go for assessment, people had to go for attachment without university facilitation. And this money that we're asking for facilitation has already been paid by the students. Every student, when they come to this university, first year, first semester, they pay 10,000.
Na boigo umwana umurabo miaka 15 no yomo yuitetu mutinyo 12 omwako eta maiga yogo salieni bo yomo teneni bwe serikali ni kanyarataka ko ni wali tukule igoro asensemo ya Iringa Guja South county ya Kisii kolengana abanyimbo kuru asenseme yo nigo bate birebuna abakegoro baikaranityo boityo bunigo babekuru byara na nigo bolingoli bwime wagenderete.
Mtoto mkalimu alikuwa anafanya kazi kwa bidii na anajitafutia. Makosa hii ni walimfanyia haki hii yetu tunalia.
Of them being border riders, other about 3 elders, and one national government administrative officer.
Na abantu ni go basemigo kane kibunangwa eso kibale na kweli kibuna bakichukurekera kiri kombe kyobo chori ni chibebe IBC asentunde yo mweli yo kagendete kuli kyabantu buna bakichukura go ikastari kisano nemo omutinyo o kabere o mwako yega nigo chinga kechi amanyo konsemo ya kitu chache bayiro basemibo eliko bwatana na abande konyaro kweli kia buna abakichukura
wajiandikishe wachukue kura kwa sababu wakichukua kura ndio sauti yao itasikika. Iwapo unataka kuchagua yule kiongozi ambao unamtaka, ukimpigia kura ndio umemchagua. Usipompigia kura basi mwingine ambaye amekuwa na kura atampigia yule ambaye anamtaka. Kwa hivyo wewe yule kiongozi wako hautakuwa na nafasi ya kumchagua. Kwa hivyo wajitokeze kwa wingi, wachukue kura kwa muda huu ambao tumepeleka kura mashinani. Changamoto kuu ilikuwa ni vitambulisho. Wengi hawako wamepata vitambulisho. Changamoto lingine ni kwamba kuna wale ambao haoni sababu ya kupiga kura. Ukimuuliza mtu wewe umechukua kura na kuambia mimi sichukui kwa sababu sitaki kupiga. Kwa hivyo ni mtazamo ambao hauko mzuri sana.
Na umuwaziri kurase wizara yobochenu mtaika weni gate birebuna montondo bwenzi wikire miaka 15 na 3 ni yagochiko yakane kadi ya yobo weni ya gose kadi ya NHIF nigo ate birebuna ikinekerenga kyogochiko konya gokinie birengo byobochenu wa sense ya Kenya asikiri ate birebuna nigekero mo Kenya anyare konyo robo weni na nene aso gutumie kadi ya NHIF mudenchere ya moyo konyo robo weni ya bwango.
After me, the national health. The national health. Mbiwa sasa hapa MRI ni shilingi 9,000. Alafu NHIF iwe inalipa shilingi 9,000 ama 8 ama 7. Ni kumaanisha ya kwamba yule mtu ambaye atakuja kutibiwa hapa ni lazima awe na shilingi 2,000. Kwa hivyo sisi hatutaki hiyo tukiwa kama serikali. Vile tungetaka ni kama NHIF inalipa 6,000 na hospitali inataka 9,000. Tuseme wacha NHIF ilipe 7,000 na nyinyi mripishe 7,000, mwananchi akija anatibiwa anaenda nyumbani. GUIA's board and NHIF, they are currently engaged with faith-based and private sector players to reach a consensus about the various charges for the various diseases on various challenges that our people are experiencing.
Voigo ase rituko ria gatatu ekero gotegera gwe kineke watene ntoroboti rwa BBI kwagendera ase kigamburugia Supreme igobono ria bali tuko rio mwerio na ni gobono aba wakili bali baikeretie kineki ase kigambere kyobono Kenya goiko mwerio ase rituko ria rero na ina bokolengana no mona chebi no monene ni gate beruna okona chobono ni okogochigo ikerwa asa matukamake ase kiria teberuna mbachikora ria rituko bago chikuru okona chabene igoro yekina gia BBI.
The decision of the judges is that the judgment will be on notice. You'll be given a notice of when the judgment will be delivered. They owned a lot of material, including Dr. Kamilwa, who has donated some books. This will all help us reach a just conclusion of the matter. So we are very, very grateful for this, and we are also grateful for the people of Kenya for giving us this opportunity to serve in these positions. Thank you and have a very nice afternoon. The court will adjourn. The date of the judgment will be given on notice. Thank you.
Nayo kagendrete etureti yabaga korwa sensemo ya bokuria ni gobono ba moiro koboko omurai wekyama gyo demrero ringa asogochia koyiranse ya Kenya asobochole bone bocho kolekana mutinyo gatano na gatato etureti yabaga kaboni gwa mweke manyererio na komotebuna mbachi kumubwatsia sobochole bone bole bosio bunenchire mo gochikogera ense ya Kenya
nigo tuitabiri bamre boito nigo tumuhigitumba bo mraisi waito. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rais. Raila Amolo Odinga, sasa simama uweze kukabidhiwa na mzee kiti ili sasa. Haya, nataka muangalie rais wetu amekabidhiwa kiti kuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya 5 wa Kenya. Mutashangilia amba bamre boito bosi karaba kungu kemogokara. Amina, amina. Basi bono tunamtegemea amekaa kwenye kiti kuwa rais baada ya uchaguzi tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8. Si tumekubali wote? Tumekubali wote. Asante sana. Mara moja hatuna muda kupoteza.
Nago tigara asamangana harengete siasa nelibona omurai wekyama gia the New Democrats TND Jimmy Kibaki ni gobona soire azimio la umoja Jimmy ni gate birebuna urayo bujano kobwatana aseganga yokonyera ko bakorera ba Kenya nigo chinga kechi ate birebuna bagoche kobwatana na azimio la umoja unenchire mu yoko baleta aba Kenya amo.
Gavana wa Samburu apigwe picha.
TND. Asanteni sana. Thank you, Bwana Chairman, Party Leader, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a great day. For those of you who do not know, this journey we started with Bonadua Madenge more than 3 years ago, and now we are here to start our campaigns as the New Democrats. New Democrats meaning that we want to take this country in a new direction. The way Kenyans have been conducting elections the last 4 or 5 election cycles, we want to show Kenyans that elections is not a matter of life and death. Elections is just a contest. You win some, you lose some. He stood for elections in 1992. He stood for elections in 1997. And he lost those elections. But the third time in 2002, he won the elections. And he steered this country to heights of democracy and prosperity never witnessed before. Indeed, to start the New Democrats, because we thought we needed our own party for those people who believed in His Excellency Mwai Kibaki's beliefs and principles, which are democracy. If you remember, during Mzee Kibaki's time is when
freedom, political freedom, freedom to operate in Kenya, expanded to new levels.
Na umunchu muligereria gwikira bwasorobo churu na Jimmy Kibaki nige swananiri asensemo ya azimio la umoja ngwikira mwire mangana majia senchira yo wenge Chinsa Ikomi chia bono margoba nyirawe chikoraga enseyemo ya bono margoba na bagaisatu asenchira yelibwa ninge nasemese ganyare ko sansamuranira na gukomanyi bunagendere gwateka koro Chinsemo karikiriya bali kibaito bagendere ko yarigania korwa ansemende oyo tobeka sembe Petro nira ko wakirambia muno nabayigo muligera nko wakirambia muno asogo tora ko yatengera ko Ndizi TV tumirane nseye SMS igende buno tambe to yakole bunabondete asenchirere enkiranu moro mangana maya senchira yo wengere tirane nkuru ko Vincent Onyanchao.